we can talk, and also we can see to the person whom we are connected. It permits your computer to act as a video conferencing station. So we can conduct the conference, video conference, with the help of this webcam. Number third, through dash dash, we can conduct live meetings, trainings, and presentations through web conferencing. Through web conferencing, we can conduct live meetings, trainings, and presentations. Presently, the official meetings, some of the, some people are using these web conferencing for conducting these type of meetings, trainings, and presentations. Number fourth, now many entrance exams in exams for distance education programs are held dash dash as this year because of this pandemic disease. We have conducted all the classes, online classes. We have conducted exams online, but the mode was little bit different. But uh, these are online classes, online exam classes. So many entrance exams and exams for distance education programs are held online. Internet allows one to conduct financial transactions on a secure website operated by the banks. So much of time and energy is saved. You can do online shopping too. Internet banking, which different banks are using who are having their online systems. So internet banking allows one to conduct financial transactions on a secure website operated by the banks. So much of time and energy is saved. You can do online shopping too. As we are having JK Bank MP, we use this JK Bank MP to transfer the money or to get the money. Normally transfer the money from one account to another account, from mobile to account. We can have shopping also. We need to transfer the money from this MP, and we can buy things. So with the help of this internet banking, we are now free to transfer the money from our account to other accounts at our home, at any place, in vehicle, at, at any corner of the world. Number 6, dash facility is a boon to the medical industry. The reports and records of clinical progress are sent easily to the doctor. Medical transcription. Medical transcription is a facility. Medical transcription facility is a boon to the medical industry. So far, internet banking is for financial transactions. Same is the case. Medical transcription facility is also a boon to the medical industry. By which reports and records of clinical progress are sent easily to the doctor. Number last, business and employment opportunities have increased in manifold with the coming up of call centers or dash 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 and dash dash. Business and employment opportunities. Not only business but employment opportunities have also increased a lot with the coming up of call centers. Because of these call centers and business processing outsourcing, business processing outsourcing. So we are doing business is a process, we outsource the business. So that business processing outsourcing and call centers, with the help of these call centers and business processing outsources, the number of employment opportunities and business have increased a lot. So these are the some of the important things which we can avail, the benefits which we can avail from the internet. Being a net savvy student, find out at least 10 terms related to internet that you sold to be acquainted. So there is an activity for you all people. I will send you that table. In this table, you have to find out at least 10 terms related to internet that you should be acquainted with. So you should all be aware about this. So this is an activity. So you need to do this activity. In addition to this, the information, in the year 2013, Google launched Project Loon, a program that intends to provide internet access to the rural and remote areas. The project uses balloons floating at high altitudes that move up and down as per the signals from building antennas. The another important thing about net, the country's first digital newspaper, e-newspaper of India, was unveiled at a mega launch in Delhi in 2013, described as a newspaper that never sleeps. A newspaper that never sleeps. It is the only newspaper in India that is brought out multiple times in the day at 1 p.m., 7:30 p.m., and 12:30 a.m. So this is the first e-newspaper of India. Thank you and have a nice day. And moreover, this activity you have to complete. I will send you to a class group. Thank you.